Now you have 7 days left. Not 7 weeks, not 7 months. Just 7 days. Most of you have completed the syllabus, and I really appreciate that because many students have not even completed it. But completing the syllabus is not enough. Here is the gap. If you know all the concepts, even then, whether you are able to apply those concepts and solve questions in the exam is not a guarantee. So therefore, here we are with this video where I am going to tell you the 7-day strategy that you must follow for boosting your preparation and for getting your dream institute. Now, let's see what are those strategies. Before starting strategies, one thing that I would like to highlight here, that currently you should not start anything new. Now, whatever you have covered, just stick to that, keep yourself calm and just strengthen your preparation. That's what now you should do. So how should you divide your upcoming 7 days? Let's see. So the first day you should keep for your mock test to know more about your preparation. In the next 2 days, June 1 and 2, you should focus more on your class 11th syllabus for all the topics. Next, for next 2 days, you should focus on the class 12th topics, all PCMB. And then these last days, you should keep for just slight revision that was not covered here or mainly your exam strategies. Now let's see in depth that how should you cover these strategies. So as I said, the first day will be facing the mirror. Here in this first day when you will attempt the mock, then you will realize that currently where your preparation stands. You will realize what are your strong and what are the weak points. So therefore, you should analyze that if there is any topic that you are not able to solve, now don't worry, you can leave some of the topics, that is fine, but you have to strengthen your strong topics now. Weak topics, just go through it. If you are able to cover, that's fine, but that's what I will advise. Now in this last minute, you should not go for anything new. Important thing is also that you just have to use this mock just as a diagnostic tool so that you can diagnose that what are your weak points. That's it. You don't have to take it so seriously and don't just fear from giving the mock. Next is that for the days June 1 and 2, where you are going to study the class 11th, you can divide your day 1 based upon the 2 subjects that you would like to study. I have kept physics and chemistry together and maths and biology. You can change it as per your convenience. Important is that you have to focus on the most important chapters first, right? Even for this class 11th, accordingly you have to decide. Now how you will decide the important things? For that you must refer 3-year PYQs at least. So that you are not just revising the formulas or concepts, you are also trying to apply on the PYQs. That's where you will strengthen your topics. Same for maths and biology. It's just that the strategies can be different. Like for bio, you will need to revise theory as well, but you have to have an active recall, right? So just try to follow your strategies and focus on the important things. Then for the class 12th syllabus, you can cover that in June 3 and 4. Again, the same topic, same subject-wise division that you have covered for class 11th. You can also refer to the Maha revision sessions that are going on right now, or if you have your own short notes, that is well and good. And we also have some of the free material available on the Science Tribe, so you can also refer to that. I'm just telling you some of the resources. So currently, while studying class 12th syllabus, you might feel that, let's say you are weak in the reaction pathways for the chemistry. So how you should tackle it, right? So what you can do, you can just watch some fast-paced question practice sessions, right? Because some of the things you will not get just by revising the theory. For that, you need question practice. Same for maths and biology, I would say. The main tip that I would give is that don't touch fresh books. Now, it's not the time for solving the books, right? Just do the selective questions which you might have picked in your year-long preparation, right? Just practice those. The last 5 and 6 days that you have, like the 5th June and 6th June that you have, since you have your exam on 6th for the NEST and on 7th for IIT, so what I would suggest is that you should not take heavy load on these 2 days. What you can do, just whatever formula sheet you have prepared, like if modern physics you want to revise again, so some of the portions you can revise again which you think are scoring for the exam, and mainly you should just rest and prepare your mind, right? You have to prepare your strategies as well, that how you will going to attempt the exam. You have to be mentally prepared. So just keep it relaxed, right? That's where you can boost your performance during the exam time, right? You don't have to overexhaust yourself. So have proper sleep, right? It is a very necessary thing. That's what I am saying, that a rested brain can retrieve information 30% faster during the exam. So make sure you have to prepare that how you are going to tackle the exam. So time management is a very important skill. So I have just given a rough idea that maybe you can divide your 3 hours, like biology you can give 30 minutes, then chemistry a little bit more time, then physics and mathematics, because these subjects demand calculations as well. So they may take a little bit more time. You can also divide it as per your convenience, because your personal strategies are going to help more because you know yourself better. Then for the exam, I just have 3 things that I would like to highlight. That during exam, if there is any question that you are not able to solve within 1 minute, not exactly solve, but you are not able to get whether you will be able to solve it or not, so skip it. That is the best rule, because for tough questions, you don't have to leave the easy ones, right? So make sure you skip those questions on time. You can revisit them later, right? Second strategy is that divide your preparation attempting strategy into 2 steps. In round 1, you can just focus on the strong topics that you are sure that you can mark them correctly. In round 2, just some questions, let's say 5-6 questions you can keep. These questions you can try while attempting in round 2. Then the last one is, there are always some questions that are kept to be trickier, right? They are tricky questions. They will definitely test your patience. If you are finding 3 or 4 questions continuously which are tough, then you don't have to fear or get scared. You just have to be normal, take a deep breath and just move on. These are the questions that you have to filter, right? Not all questions are for solving it, right? Some are just to test whether you can filter the questions and do the easy ones and manage your time well or not. So with this, I would just say a last line that is very important, that this exam is just based upon the strategies. Now, in one afternoon or one morning, whatever you are performing will not test your caliber, right? Whatever you have potential that you know well, right? So you have to keep calm, have a deep breath, and just show the paper that what are your strengths. So that's how you should be confident upon yourself, and don't lose hope. Don't be scared. We are here with you, right? Just you have to follow these guidance for the next 7 days. So for these 7 days, if you have not made your short notes and you are confused that how to revise it quickly, so you can also download the Sayastra app. There under the free material section, you will find a lot of study material. You can attempt free mocks as well, and you will find formula sheets there as well. So just try to focus on the important things. With this, I would just say that all the best for your exam. You have a lot of resources. You have done a lot of preparation in these 2 years. Just now be confident on yourself and show the exam what are the inner strengths. So with this, all the best for your exam. We will see you in your dream institute. Till then, just keep preparing. All the best. Bye-bye. Take care.